Good morning to each and every one of you. Today is the 22nd of April, and this is a super short Avid video. My good things for today are distance learning and my family and barbecue. Good things from you guys? I don't know. I haven't looked at yesterday's attendance sheet yet, so I don't have your good things. So looking at our assignment guide, we don't have any work for today. It's not an Avid day. But I did want to point out one thing to you. If you go to our Avid haiku page, and bear with me for a second, I'm not quite there. There I am. I have put up a bunch of your slant videos, right? I looked at the grades, the 7th grade ones yesterday. And I added how many? 6 more. So check these out. I think they're really cool. You'll have more assignments and stuff tomorrow. Stay safe and stay well. Bye-bye.